In this week's strategy, I'm actually in New York City this week at the Traders Expo, so the video is going to be a little bit different. I don't have the intro just because I'm on a laptop. So let's take a look at what we're going to term this week's strategy, which is a crude oil trade. So obviously, crude oil has broken above 105, as you can see here on the weekly chart. We have had some resistance here in the 105 area, as you can see with my mouse in this area around the 12th. You've also had it around November. And we've got a little bit more resistance in this area. But overall, what we're looking for is an elevated move substantially higher. So how do you figure out some targets? After it's broken out, what do you do with that? So now that we have switched to a daily chart, you can see that we have clearly broken above this 104 area, which has been a little bit of resistance of late, 104.23. So we're breaking above that, and our next target is going to be 107, 111, and 113. How did we get that is a very good question. What we're going to do is we're going to grab a Fibonacci extension tool, and as you can see by what the tool looks like, and it's on most trading platforms, it looks like a, well, let me just show you. You can see, and hopefully you can see it on the video because it is a small tool. There is a low, you pick a low, then you pick a high, and then you pick a higher low, and then what it'll do is it'll project from there the target to the high side. So let's go ahead and do that in real time. So here we go. We've got our low point, we have our high point, we have a higher low point, and now you can see 106, 110, 113. Now, these are not exact. These are approximate numbers where it should also have issues as it goes higher. Now, is it going to go straight to 106, 110, and 113? No, probably not. A very common occurrence that happens once you have broken above a key resistance area, what it likes to do is once it climbs above that, it then likes to come back, kiss this breakout, and then go higher. So remember that. It's going to break out, pull back, kiss that old resistance, which should now become support, and then start its march higher. So the next time you find yourself in a situation where you're breaking out on some pretty good substantial resistance and it's now trading above that area, remember to use your Fibonacci extension tool and then also look for the pullback, the breakout to pull back to the breakout of that resistance area. That'll be support. It'll kiss that and then it'll go substantially higher. Good luck. Hope it helps. I'll see you on next week's strategy.